my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of hair care, skincare reviews on my channel. So if you're interested, then please subscribe and you will be notified every time a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to talk about another shampoo from Just Herbs, and it's their aloe vera moisturizing shampoo. The price of this product is 625 rupees and you get 200 ml quantity. The packaging of Just Herbs has changed recently. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in an outer cardboard box and the inner packaging comes in the form of this plastic bottle, and it has a flip open cap. Texture of this shampoo is a gel based texture and it lathers very nicely, even though this is sulfate free. Okay, some of the key ingredients of this shampoo are wheat germ, aloe vera, which is the main primary ingredient. It also contains a lot of blends of Ayurvedic ingredients, and the preservative is a blend of essential oils as well as some other natural ingredients. So I don't see any synthetic fragrance. I think all of their products does not contain any synthetic fragrance, but a blend of Ayurvedic ingredients and some essential oils. This is the complete ingredient list. They have also mentioned percentage of some of the ingredients. Let's take a look at the claims of this shampoo. Helps dry, lifeless hair, non-drying, sulfate and paraben free, suitable for color treated hair. An award-winning moisturizing shampoo to penetrate the hair shaft, strengthen the roots and nourish the scalp, while effectively cleansing the hair without stripping off its natural oils. So that's about it from the claims. There isn't much that they have claimed, just something very basic. And I have tried other shampoo of Just Herbs. I think it was a Amla Nourishing Root Strengthening shampoo, the Amla shampoo, and that was quite good. If you are facing hair fall, I would recommend that shampoo. In terms of strengthening the roots, and if you want like something natural, this is good. It is sulfate free, it is free from synthetic fragrance. So the fragrance that they have added, I think it's a blend of essential oils. So it is not very overpowering or very strong. It is very mild fragrance. And other ingredients also are like a blend of natural Ayurvedic ingredients with some chemical for the composition. So overall the ingredient list looks very good. Texture of the shampoo is nice. It's a gel based texture, yet it doesn't dry out the hair. After you apply it on the hair lengths of the hair, it doesn't make the hair dry, because I notice my hair is very dry, especially at the like ends of it, and also the length of the hair is very dry. So when I use any shampoo, like a lot of shampoos, they make the hair very dry. After shampooing the hair, it feels very dry, but this is actually very moisturizing, very hydrating, and it doesn't dry out the scalp or even the strands and the ends of the hair. So it is good. But I believe that on its own, without using a conditioner or a hair mask, you will not get like very super smooth and silky hair with this shampoo on itself. You do have to use some kind of a conditioner or a hair mask in order to give that additional like moisturization and to make the hair more manageable. On its own, it is okay, but it will not make the hair silky smooth if you have very dry, lifeless hair as they have claimed. It is sulfate free and it is silicone free. So if you're looking for a sulfate free, silicone free shampoo with less chemicals and all, then this is a good one. If you want something for hair fall, then I will recommend the Amla Neem shampoo. That is better for hair fall. Like I believe that is specifically for hair fall concern. But if you want something just for dry hair to keep the hair moisturized and you don't have like major hair fall issues, then you can use this particular shampoo, which is the aloe vera moisturizing shampoo of Just Herbs. And I think this particular shampoo I will definitely recommend for people with dry and very lifeless hair. If you have not done any sort of treatment in your hair, you can use it. If you have done some keratin or some other hair smoothing, any treatment on your hair, even then you can use it. This is good. Even though this is not specifically formulated for hair fall reduction, but this will not cause any sort of hair fall in like additional hair fall if you're using it. But this is just a moisturizing, like a hydrating shampoo. It doesn't add volume or gives in other benefits, but it is good for strengthening the hair shafts, the roots, and just moisturizing and hydrating the hair. That's it from the review of the Just Herbs Aloe Vera Moisturizing Shampoo. I hope you found this review useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such hair care reviews, and you'll find a lot of recommendations and other reviews in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out. And that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.